To customize always on display in Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to find lock screen and AOD and activate our always on display right here. Then to customize it, first option is to show your lock screen wallpaper. If you like, you can see your lock screen wallpaper on the always on display, and you can erase or make the background visible for it. Then there's show now bar. I've explained this option in more detail in my how to use now bar video. If you're interested, you can watch it. And then you can customize when to show your lock screen, AOD. When you tap on it, automatically always put it on schedule or only for new notifications. You can also change the photo for always on display without customizing your lock screen. And to do it, you will need to go back to the settings and themes, then select AODs, and right here on the bottom you can find 3 AODs that you can apply to your AOD. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.